Hi, my name is Molly. I am from the Cussetta Chattahoochee Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a revolution scarf. So a revolution scarf is one that is in a complete circle. You put it around your neck and then you twist it and you put it again. This is a revolution scarf. Today I'm going to show you how to create a slip knot and how to create the first chain of your scarf. All you need is yarn. I got this yarn off of Amazon. It was about $5. And you need a crochet hook, and that is all you need. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. How to crochet a scarf for beginners. Step 1. Slip knot. To create a slip knot, you put the yarn around your thumb and your finger. You twist the yarn and you grab the yarn on the other side and you pull through. Step 2. Chain. To create a chain, you first hook the yarn around the crochet hook, wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through that slip knot. You continue to do this until you are done with the chain, until you've gone as far as you want. It really depends on how long you want your scarf to be, how big you want your scarf to be. So you just continue to create this first chain and then you keep going to the next chain until you are done with your scarf.
We are springing into summer learning at the Chattahoochee Valley Libraries, and the program you just attended is one of the ways you can earn completions. Just go to cvlga.org and look for Spring into Summer Learning. You can register yourself and your family online, and then start reading and attending our online events. That's all you have to do. We're giving away weekly gift certificates, and every completion you make enters you into a grand prize drawing for tablets, games, gifts, and more. Remember, you have to register to win, cvlga.org, and we'll see you online again real soon.